Today I am going to deliver a very important lecture on sociology, its meaning and its nature. Before I come to the main issue, let me make you familiar with under what circumstances the term sociology was used, by whom it was used. As we know, the term sociology was first coined and given by the French sociologist and thinker Auguste Comte. He used this term sociology for the first time in 1838. That is in the 19th century. Since the day it was used by Auguste Comte, it has travelled across the world. And the current status of sociology is that it is being taught and learnt in all the colleges and universities of the world. Probably there is no university where at the undergraduate level or postgraduate level this subject is taught. As far as India is concerned, sociology is a very scoring subject, very interesting subject to those who are preparing for the various competitions like civil services, because many of the successful candidates are those who offered sociology. France is the birthplace of sociology. 19th century is the century of the origin of sociology. 1838 is the year of the origin of sociology. Now, let me tell you the etymological meaning of sociology. The English word sociology is made up of two different words of two different languages. The first word in sociology is socius of Latin language. In English, socius means society. The second word in sociology is logos, which is from Greek language. And in English, logos means science. So in this way, the simple meaning or the simplest meaning of sociology is that sociology is a science of society. In sociology, society is studied scientifically. Now the question is, what is society and what is science? Society is formed when there are two or more than two persons, and when there is an interaction among the people. So these two components constitute a society, form a society, make a society. So first component for society is that there must be minimum two persons. There is no limit of the maximum number of persons in a society. There must be two or more than two persons, and secondly, there must be an interaction among the people. Until and unless these two conditions are there, we cannot imagine a society. As far as science is concerned, science is a systematic knowledge of a subject, systematic knowledge of a thing. So we can say that sociology serves a systematic knowledge of society and its various aspects to the people. Hence, it's a very important subject because we live in society. We have been living in the society. Society is our reality. Society is our identity. Society is the platform that helps us survive in the world. So, sociology is indeed a very important subject, very useful subject, very relevant subject. Now, the nature of sociology. There have been several controversial views about the nature of sociology. The supporters and lovers of sociology believe that sociology is a science. No, before I say something, I would like to make it clear that science is a wide term. It should not be used narrowly. And science is used for all those subjects in which scientific method is used to study. So, scientific method must be used to study, and if it is so, we can call a subject sociology. As far as sociology is concerned, in sociology we study the social events. Both the positive and the negative social events are studied in sociology. And for the purpose, scientific method is used. Scientific method means while making the study of any social event, observation of the study area is made, observation of the event is made, then hypothesis is formed, hypothesis is tested, primary data are collected, secondary data are collected, data are classified, analyzed, tabulated, interpreted, generalizations are made. Moreover, objectivity is maintained throughout the work. So, on this basis, we can say that sociology is a science. And the simple reason why it is so, we can say that scientific method is used to study the social events. Anyway, this idea that sociology is a science meets severe criticism, and the critics say that sociology is not a science. It can never be a science because science requires experiments, science requires laboratories for the practicals, for the experiments. But the supporters of sociology, that the whole society is the lab of sociology, where any experiment can be made. So, in this way, through this lecture, I tried to convey the idea that sociology is a very important and relevant subject. It's a demand, its study is the demand of the day, because it makes us familiar with the society, with the various aspects of society. It was first coined by Auguste Comte, the French sociologist, thinker. But now, sociology has reached all the corners of the world. So, it's a very useful subject and we should study it. Its study is very relevant, very significant, very important for all. So, I hope that you must have liked this lecture of mine. Thank you so much.